We are joined now by Chanda Kochhar of ICICI to give us a perspective on this budget and whether she's convinced with the macroscope that it has put out. Chanda, thanks very much. Straight off to fiscal deficit, target of 5.1%. Do you think it's realistic? And if so, how is the government going to bring it down to that level?
No, I don't think it is that unachievable, and it's just a mention of intent. I think it looks to me like a good balance between what would have been desirable and what is achievable. So I think there is a stretch on both sides. Yes, it's not as low as what one would like to see over a longer period, but it's not also as does not look that very unachievable as well. So I think it's a very pragmatic number.
But on the borrowing front, we're already seeing the bond markets reacting negatively through the day today. Against an expected gross borrowing number, the FM has spoken of 5.7 lakh crores for FY12-13. Do you worry about the crowding out effect that it could really have?
I think the borrowing number is higher than what most people expected. So yes, there would be some amount of overhang on the bond market, on the fixed income market for this reason. But I think that is the realistic picture. What is important for us is to make sure that the numbers that now we have spoken of in the budget, we really work towards achieving those and not really overshooting those. So I think that is, in my view now, we should take these numbers as being the more realistic and the pragmatic numbers and actually work towards ensuring that the situation does not deviate from here.
So, on the fiscal consolidation side, every single banker and every single corporate wanted to see something seriously done there. Are you convinced with the kind of commitment on the fisc that's coming through in terms of consolidation, where the capital will come from?
I think at least directionally on fiscal consolidation, there has been a clear intent. The intent of bringing down the fiscal deficit from 5.9 to 5.1, the intent of keeping subsidies to 2% of GDP. I think these are some strong directions and movements in the right direction that have been announced. Of course, in my view, the rate cut depends not just on fiscal consolidation, it also depends on inflation. So that is another thing that we'll have to watch. So, it's not necessary that just with the announcement of a direction of fiscal consolidation, that leads automatically, to rate cuts.
So when should we look at rate cuts? Early April?
Well, I think rate cuts would happen in the financial year FY13. In my view, April is a little too early to expect it. Probably a little later is when these cuts would start.